Good morning from Raffles Royale Hotel in Surfers Paradise. This is the pool. Just taking a quick video of the amenities here. We've got a spa, a hot tub spa. Got all your deck chairs. Pretty cool. Nice pool. It's only about 1.2 meters deep, but does the trick. Pretty cool. Okay, out here we've got barbecue facilities. Basically, all the guests can put lighters on. Barbecue will heat for 20 minutes. All the guests can use it at night here. A few people have been using them. We got a lot of deck chairs and bits and pieces out here. Another barbecue on this side. Okay, on the floor there used to be green carpet, but they've just recently ripped that out. It's all like a fake turf, so it's pretty good. So we've got all the places on either side. So I'll just pan around. So, pretty good. I'll just walk around and have a look. And if you underneath us is the actual car park. Sorry, I'm not talking too loud because there's people actually sleeping. It's still early. It's not even 7 in the morning. Even though it's bright sunshine, it's still pretty early. So there's the pool there. We've got an exit way over here, and that's the main Gold Coast highway there. And underneath us is the entry for the car park, which is underneath. It's the main road. And that's it's not a bad view in the morning over here. Obviously I'm looking away from the ocean. The ocean's actually behind us. But yeah, so you can go through there. But it's just a quick video of the place. Okay, that's our view from outside of the apartment. There's a 24-hour car park there. We've got buildings all around. The beach is down that way. You can't see it. It's about 1.5 blocks away. And we're in room number 7. I'm just taking a quick video now. Look. Heading down into the garage, the car park. So stairs go up to other levels. There's 3 levels. Okay, sorry about that. And that's the pool area outside. So, but anyway, we're going downstairs. Okay, it's a bit dark in here. This is the garage, under the building garage, as you can see. A lot of people park their motorbikes here. Must be like a parking system, and there's bikes. So obviously locals can park their bikes here. So there's heaps of them. Let's get the garbage. into the reception area. This is the front door where you come in from, and it's the reception in there. Car park, we go up the stairs. Okay, and then basically that's our view. This is one side of the building. Pretty cool. We're in room number 7, or apartment 7. Okay, this is our room in Raffles Royale. So we've got our kitchen area here, microwave. In here we've got a laundry hamper, laundry basket with a washing machine, and a sink doing our laundry. A little pantry door in there. Got all sorts of drawers and cupboards there underneath. It's pretty cool. In here we've got the main living area, which is you know, you've got your couch, a little coffee table, TV, another couch there, a sofa. Okay, walking into the main bedroom. It's pretty cool with the ceiling fan. It's actually quite nice. Plenty of cupboard space. You know, we've got towels and everything up there. That's it. Pretty cool. This is the bathroom. Okay, there you go. It's pretty cool. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, back into the main room. And through here we have the, you go outside to the pool area, and that's pretty good. There you go.